It's time for Jim and Stop Trading.
One of the tougher situations out there right now is Linda Rendell's Clorox. They did have that hack. It looks like it's the same hack of the people who, the scattered spider went after the casinos. What's difficult here is, first of all, analysts did think they would still turn positive numbers, maybe mid-single digit organic, and it's just going to be down very badly. But second, the lingo of the actual release makes it sound like that they haven't really gotten to the bottom of it yet, which is one of the reasons why it's down more than it was initially, because if they haven't gotten the bottom of it, then you're not going to get the snapback that a lot of people felt that could happen. I think she's a very good CEO. She's been very forward about what's happening. It's a terrific brand, but obviously people have said they can't get a handle on this thing. And if they can't get a handle on it, then it's hard to be able to say it's going to snap right back.
Most impactful cyber attack you've seen?
I just think that you have to buy these cyber attack companies, because this is one where Okta would tell you, the great that's a self-identification company that you have at Okta is something that Todd McKinnon came on and said, look, when you have these employees who are trusting and they help other employees, and you're imitating an employee when you're an imposter, you'll give up the keys to the kingdom. So it really doesn't matter whether you have an Okta in there or whatever. But the idea is that maybe they'll go after someone else if you have the full suite, because it's just like that's the locked car versus the unlocked car in the parking lot.
Yeah. All that employee cyber training actually is for something.
Just don't give up the information and just presume that the other person is not being honest.
How about tonight?
Okay, so I have the ridiculous constellation. Before there even is a conference call, the stock is down huge. Give me a break. It's wine and spirits this week. If they get rid of wine and spirits, a la what I think Elliott might lunk at their November 2nd meeting, you'll feel like a dope if you sell the stock here. Sean Connolly, there's the situation where the estimates were beaten when it comes to the bottom line, but not the top line in terms of sales. And then Levi is always controversial because, well, I mean, are people buying apparel? It's not clear. You mentioned Macy's. They need apparel sales to go up.
That's a good show.
A lot going on. They just swimming in this stuff.
We'll see you tonight, Jim.
Yeah,
6 p.m. Eastern Time. Mad Money, of course.